holding the racket is going to be like shake hand. Okay, so it's going to be just like correct finger. It's going to be the finger, thumb. It's going to be by the alley. So that like this full spaces, empty. Got it? Okay. So from here, this little one. So that twist almost on. Okay, when it is going to be just like getting, this is going to pull down. So the thumb moves to the flat side to get the impact of the shuttle. So when we are starting, so it's going to be like exactly going to be shoulder level. Okay, what you're going to be having it off. Right leg to the front, it's going to be only a standing stroke. So from here, the twist, highest point, follow through, down. So from 0, just getting it up and fully throwing it down. Got it? So from here, no, palm should be facing outside. Okay, ready?
Watch his racket, not shuttle. Watch his racket. Watch the racket because see
All same.
whatever the shot is playing, the racket is going straight in that direction. Mind that. When you place, hitting, racket head is straight it is going. So that the shuttle is also going in that particular direction properly.
Which direction? The technique is same. The technique is same. It's the same technique. I'm not changing technique. I'm not doing anything. Okay. So now I'm going to be just like showing it for a toss, for a smash, for a drop, slice, like everything. Okay. Here, straight. Cross court. Sorry. Drop. Everything is from here only. Getting it off the pulley power. Okay. Now, Narasimhan coach will just like explain the traditional one. When it's going to be done with the traditional one, how will it be? Get it off. The traditional ones. Okay, watch his hand with the traditional ones. From here. Okay, again. Straight. Cross court. Okay. Drop. Straight drop. Smash. Okay. Straight. Cross court. Straight drop. Cross court chop. Cross court chop. Smash. Smash. Cross court smash. Got it?
Small distance, just I was talking to him. Simple. Watch the hand first. When you play straight cross court from say forehand mode, you are playing. Watch my hand. Is it you'll be hitting here like this when you play cross court drop? Is it? Watch. Straight and hit. straight and go straight and cross. The same action for backhand and forehand. The racket goes back and hit. The racket goes straight and hit. But when server is telling with the fingers, what's the difference? It is he is taking the cross one first initially to take the swing. To take the swing because he is rotating in a short distance and trying to hit that one. Is it? See, watch. Short distance. He's just holding the fingers, rotating that, and he's tapping that with the racket head. See what? Is it the same thing? He's telling that little bit easy to hold and manage that one. Is it or not? See. Need to relieve the thumb when you want to hit. Once you hit, racket should go straight. This side, that side, no. It depends on again you to slice. Straight, slicing, smash. So you're going to hit the racket down, but racket head will go straight. Like forehand smash, how you do? See? You are going to hit the shuttle forehand smash in front of you. Is it? Means here that after tapping, the arm is coming down. In the same manner, sometimes we need to hit a smash which is behind us also. But hit, you're going to tap this and bring down. Don't rotate, no. If you are rotating the racket like this is a screw, this won't help anything. This will help. See. Tuck. Tuck. This is nothing but a flat where you can understand that when you're showing you flat. Racket head is flat, hitting. Racket head is flat, hitting.
Only we can use this technique only in our backhand toss only.
Exactly. Backhand toss only because you are going to hit harder, right? No? You need to tap that fast. But when you want to play a drop, you are going to slice the shuttle. So you're not going to hit hard or anything.
But in driving corner also if we are hitting like this, it's going
Only with the thumb. This is called backhand. That's what shuttles which you are receiving in front of you, all will be played with the thumb. You can play with the thumb, aram se. See. So up to where you can play? To the forehand side. You can play and you can play. For any shuttle coming from range here to here, it can be played with the backhand. In case if the smash is coming very fast, you don't have the chance to play this, so that you can counter. Nothing wrong. See, at last it is the shuttle should be played in a straight racket. It should not be like this and like this. It should be, see, straight racket. Straight racket, straight racket, straight racket. Whatever you want to do, it should be the straight racket. Deception, I told I just show you once again deception. The stroke will be the same. I just want to clear a shuttle. This is the clearing, is it? The same deception, you are going to break your racket movement when it is going back. It is not while playing. Hitting is the same. Hitting is the same. You do like this. Hitting is the same. Backhand deception, like see. Hitting is the same. Bring. Hitting is the same. I want to play a cross-court drop like this. So bring the racket. Cross-court drop. Cross-court drop. This is the right way to hit. These are all like expression giving as if you are doing something. Drop. Drop. So it is just faking the opponent, but nothing to do with the stroke. Stroke should be played in the same manner what you play normally. Faking is just giving some other movement, but when playing the stroke, don't make any breakage in the movement, like don't hit this. While taking you play, playing is the normal thing. While hitting you break, you will lose the shot. You won't get the right shot, no. Because you already lost your control in that movement. Is it? Any doubt this?
Okay, so it's going to be the individual shuttles, what we're going to be feeding it off. Each will be feeding it off, so try to just like get